This is the American Business Podcast, the voice of American business. I am Kevin Deveci, your host. I am connecting you from New York City, the headquarters of the American Business Podcast. We started the American Business Podcast on February 28, 2025. When we started it, we believed in it. We worked so hard, and we had only one motivation: creating educational business content. Within our first 6 months, we managed to receive more than 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And we received YouTube Silver Award within our first 6 months. This is a great achievement, and receiving these awards within the 6 months is very, very rare in YouTube creator community. We made it thanks to your support and help. Within our first 10 months, we managed to receive more than 130,000 subscribers on YouTube and more than 1 million views on YouTube. We have a great mission. Our mission is to bring you informative business content. The American Business Podcast is live first, educational, independent, unfiltered, unedited, non-political American Business Podcast. We share these educational content with today's and next generation business professionals, executives, entrepreneurs, business owners, investors, educators, and the workforce. The American Business Podcast supports, promotes, and uplifts American businesses, nonprofits, and manufacturers. The American Business Podcast is available in video and audio format. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, and LinkedIn are the video podcast venues, channels for the American Business Podcast. For the audio version of the American Business Podcast, you can go to Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, and more. I am proud to say that today, the American Business Podcast is available in 6 different languages: ABP Espanol, ABP Portuguese, ABP German, ABP French, ABP Hindi, and ABP Turk. Our goal is to promote American businesses internationally, globally. That's why we created this multi-language podcast network for you and for American businesses. The American Business Podcast is listed in imdb.com. You can scan this QR code and go to our IMDb page. And please, rate us. We need your support. Also, if you haven't done so, please go to our YouTube channel and subscribe, like, share, and put your comments in the chat box. Consider being a member of the American Business Podcast. We have a great membership program. You can scan this QR code and it'll take you to our membership page. See the membership options, pick the one that you like, and sign up and support us. Remember, we are a business community, and this membership program is a great help for the American Business Podcast. We'll truly appreciate it. In addition, we have a monthly online business networking event. We call this CABA, Networking Plus Podcasting. You can network with other business professionals, and you'll be on the American Business Podcast and in front of thousands of the American Business Podcast subscribers, followers, and supporters. Speaking of supporters, for your business, for your organization, please consider advertising in the American Business Podcast. Within 10 months, we managed to receive world-class sponsors, supporters, and advertisers. We need your help, we need your support for the continuation and sustainability of the American Business Podcast. For that, also please send us an email, americanbusinesspodcast@gmail.com, and we will be happy to have a conversation with you for a partnership, sponsorship, as well as advertising. We also welcome guest in the American Business Podcast. If you'd like to be a guest in the American Business Podcast, you can also send us an email, americanbusinesspodcast@gmail.com. We love to hear from you, and your feedback is also important for us. Send us an email, americanbusinesspodcast@gmail.com. As a business community, it's important that we stay in touch and we support each other. Our goal is to create and share educational business content with you in every single episode of the American Business Podcast. 2025 has been a great journey for us in the American Business Podcast. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your support. And more importantly, thank you for believing in us. We've been working hard in 2025. We'll continue these in 2026, and we will bring you more educational content, more business content. And we have a great pipeline of guests, business experts, business leaders to share professional insights and professional wisdom with you. Thank you very much again for your help and support. More will be coming in 2026. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.